Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a simple skirt and I hope you guys like it. I'm gonna put some examples here. And I got this fabric from John. Look how cute this is! Ooh, smells kinda weird. Oosh, I don't like this smell. So I'm gonna kinda follow the purple skirt that I made for a short video. I'm gonna try to make it like that, but this fabric is a little heavier. So, and I'm gonna make it longer too. So, let's do it. So I decided to fold the fabric like 1-2 times, and for the longest part I'm gonna just cut this like because it's gonna be the bottom of the skirt and I really want to have the most fabric as I can. Okay, I'm gonna just cut it right now. And this is the piece that we just cut. Look how long it is. So this is gonna be the bottom. You can cut it as long as you want, and you can cut it a little shorter as me. But I really want it to be a little thick, but not too thick, so we can fold it this way when we sew, right? And also we can do the ends. And now that we have our 3 pieces, so this is the waist part. This is what's gonna go over here, really simple. What we're gonna do, we're gonna around this part, like this, and put it like this, okay? This is gonna be the last one we saw. This is gonna be, actually this one might be the last one. And this is the bottom of the skirt. We're gonna cut it and we're gonna make it a little more fluffy at the end. And this is the skirt, and it's gonna be really simple. It can also be worn as a dress, so let's see how it works. So the way we're gonna set up the sewing machine is gonna be number 00 of this one, or number 2, or number machine. We're gonna put this on number 1, the tension number 1, and we're gonna use the 0 and number 1. So let me show you. This is 0 and this is 1. It's the same one, but it's gonna be one more like in the center, and the other one is on the side, and everything's followed like this little thing right here. I don't know if you guys are able to see it. I don't know, but like it's that little thing here. This is the 0 and this is gonna be the number 1. This one actually. This one's gonna be number 1 and this is gonna be 0. I hope that makes sense though. I know you guys gonna notice that I'm using pink and I'm using white. I really like when there is 2 different color threads when I'm making a project. I feel it looks cute and makes better, I don't know, something different. And also the fabric that I'm using is white and pink, so I think that will make it a little more entertaining. So let's see how it ends. So I just finished sewing my first line, so you guys can see here. I recommend you to keep a lot of thread at the end. We're gonna need that to shred, okay? We're gonna need this, okay? And now the second line. So you guys can see this is my first line. Now we're gonna do the second one right next to it. That way it looks like we have enough space to shred it, and we're gonna have a better support for it, okay? So this is the 2 lines. I hope you guys can see it, but I don't know how to make it more visible because the thread, but like I believe you can see it. Okay, maybe without this light. Okay, here you guys can see the 2 lines. Okay, now we're gonna start pulling. So I'm gonna show you what you guys gonna do, okay? What you guys gonna do, you're gonna have this, and this one has 2 threads. So you're gonna pull just one, okay? And now you're gonna do the same thing with the second line. Okay, you guys got it? You have 2 and 2 threads. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna start pulling, and you're just gonna do that until you get to the end. Okay, you see how cute that is? I love it. So I'm gonna just watch a show when I'm doing this because it can take around 15 minutes, and I'll be back. Okay, see you later. So my thread broke, as you guys can see. I don't know if you can see it, but it broke. Oh, you can see here better. So now I have to remove all the thread and sew it again. But yeah, this is how it is when you sew, right? The cute experience. So let's do it again. The universal experience. Your pet sitting on your project. I love you. So I saw the bottom part with the waistband, and I'm thinking that I don't know if I want to add the bottom like shuffle. I think I'm gonna just keep it like that because it's a lot. And then I will see what I'm gonna do. Maybe I'm gonna do a top. So let's see what else can come up with. So I started sewing the zipper and I completely forgot to record it. So this is how it's looking so far, and I'm gonna show you guys how it's gonna look real quick. And yeah, and I saw the zipper and this is how it looks. This is my first time sewing a zipper. I was really scared, but I was able to do it. Let me show you. Yeah. Oh my god. So I finished the zipper and ended up being a little bit too big for me. But I kind of like how it's looking. You guys see something here and maybe in the back. So it might look so much better. So let's see. And I will show you guys the final result shortly. I did my makeup for the review. I hope you guys like it. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. See you guys the next week.